Hey Canadian crypto enthusiasts, I kept seeing buzz about a new AI-powered crypto trading platform. From Telegram chats to YouTube channels, even Reddit threads. Curiosity got the best of me, so I finally gave it a try. And honestly, Ventario absolutely delivers. If you've been eager to get into crypto but feel overwhelmed by overly technical platforms or tools that don't live up to the hype, you're not the only one. I've tried my fair share. Some looked slick, but underperformed when it mattered most. Then I stumbled across something different. Ventario. Unlike typical trading apps, Ventario is a fully automated AI trading system, built with Canadian users in mind. What makes it special? It's clean, intuitive, and doesn't require any prior trading experience. If you're new to the crypto space, this is a fantastic starting point. Oh, and here's the best part. I've got access to an exclusive invite link. If you register through it, you unlock a private welcome bonus that isn't publicly listed. It's only available for a short time and limited to early users, so don't sleep on it. Links in the description. Now, what makes Ventario worth paying attention to? For starters, it runs completely on autopilot. Its AI scans global crypto markets 24/7, identifies trading opportunities, and places trades for you. No chart watching, no manual work, no experience needed. When it comes to performance, users have reported daily gains between 150 and 400 Canadian dollars, and some have even seen monthly returns up to 70%. Of course, no results are guaranteed. It depends on the market, but once it's set up, the AI does the rest. Security-wise, they don't cut corners. Ventario uses top-tier encryption, enforces strict KYC and AML protocols, and runs on secure cloud-based infrastructure. Your assets and personal info are protected at every step. Getting started is refreshingly simple. Ventario integrates with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Just link your wallet, activate the AI, and let it do its thing. And if you ever hit a snag, Canadian-based support is available 24/7 to assist you. And about that invite link, it's more than just access. It unlocks bonus tools, enhanced functionality, and the welcome bonus, giving you a head start from day one. Here's something else that blew me away. The AI doesn't just follow fixed indicators. It adapts in real time using advanced machine learning. The longer it runs, the more accurate and efficient it becomes, improving results over time with no extra input from you. You also stay in control. You can set risk levels, stop-loss limits, and pick which crypto pairs to trade. So while it's automated, you're always in the driver's seat. And yes, it's 100% legit. Ventario was developed by a team that understands Canada's financial environment. They're transparent, security-conscious, and even offer live onboarding sessions. Something rare in the crypto world. So if you've been waiting for a smarter way to enter the crypto game, this might just be it. With AI automation, Canadian-focused design, and beginner-friendly features, Ventario makes crypto investing easier, safer, and a whole lot more effective. Click the link in the description, sign up through the invite, claim your bonus, and start growing your portfolio the smart way. With Ventario,